Welcome back to Remington Whitetail Adventures. Today I am just going to be explaining the kayak I just got. I worked 24 hours and I got like $300. And then my dad's friend had this kayak. He used it twice and he wanted 80 and I offered him he wanted 100. I offered him 80 and he took it. It is a Sun Dolphin Journey 10 SS. I have a ton of shit in it, just to let you know. Yeah, that thing broke off, right? It broke off, so I had to just put this hook here. Just because why not? And then I have a couple rods on it. 2 open face and then bait caster. But I am taking it out hopefully tomorrow. I don't know if I'll be able to video tomorrow. Just for the okay. Yeah, that's all I want to explain. It's 10 foot. And it actually has a live well with it. But that's over here because it's a little dirty. I'm going to clean it soon, like 10 minutes. But that's the live well. And it is filthy as shit. But alright. Bye.